बट मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था कि हम प्लेसमेंट को लेकर के इंस्टीट्यूट्स क्या डिफरेंट कर रही है, क्या उनकी इनिशिएटिव है, उनको भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो एक चीज मैं बताऊं, अभी हमारे साथ औरित्रो सर हैं, ही इज फ्रॉम प्लेसमेंट डिपार्टमेंट। तो ये GNIIT को रिप्रेजेंट करके जो भी प्लेसमेंट इनिशिएटिव है इस इंस्टीट्यूट की, वो आपको बताएंगे किस तरीके से प्लेसमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट जो है प्लेसमेंट डेवलपमेंट में काम कर रही है। अदर देन दैट एवरेज CTC कैसा है, क्योंकि ये मेजर क्वेश्चंस आपके दिमाग में आते हैं बिफोर टेकिंग एडमिशन, और ये आने भी चाहिए सो दैट कि आपको बाद में एडमिशन लेने के बाद रिग्रेट ना करना पड़े। तो सर सबसे पहले थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग योर प्रीशियस टाइम।
थैंक यू।
तो अभी आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि इंस्टीट्यूट जो है GNIIT, अगर हम अदर इंस्टीट्यूट को देखें तो उनसे कंपेरेटिवली क्या ये डिफरेंट कर रही है प्लेसमेंट को लेकर के?
Yes, so our placement normally starts in the final year for the BTech students and MCA students. So before final year, in the pre-final year, we take a lot of initiatives in terms of training, because nowadays the requirements of the companies are getting changing, and
Exactly.
you know the mode of recruitment and the process are also getting difficult. So to
Exactly.
cope up with these things, we take a lot of initiatives in training, in grooming the students. For example, aptitude and technical training is taken care separately, so that they can perform well in the very first round of the different recruitment processes. Apart from that, one very unique thing that we do, which is called beyond the curriculum training, and this is something we start from the second year. That is for the second year, third, fourth semester students, and in the third year, fifth, sixth semester students. So total 4 times we offer this beyond the curriculum training. On parallelly, for the internship purpose also we offer, and I like to mention here that our students are going to internships for different reputed government organizations also. For example, ISRO, DRDO. A quite significant number of students are going for the internships there. Parallelly, in different reputed MNCs also, our students are doing internships. Some of the internships they are doing in the virtual mode also. So yes, internship is something which is very important nowadays. And from the starting from the government sector to the private sector in leading MNCs, our students are there to perform and gain knowledge as intern.
So basically the thing is that even in the blog मैंने आपको जो दिखाया है कि the companies like robotics, they are coming here and they are just creating a workshops so that you can gain practical knowledge from this institute. Because अगर आप market में skill set develop नहीं करोगे, then you are not going to sustain in a long journey. This is the harsh reality of IT sector. तो उसमें जो मुझे दिखा, like मैं ऑनेस्टली बताता हूँ, वेदर इट इज प्रोज कॉन्स, कोई भी पार्शियल होकर के मैं रिव्यू नहीं कर रहा, बट जो रियलिटी होगी वो मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा। बट जैसा मैंने देखा वो प्रैक्टिकल चीजें यहाँ पे परफॉर्म की जा रही है, जिसको आई मस्ट एप्रिसिएट। उसके अलावा सर, अगर स्टूडेंट कोई यहाँ पे एडमिशन ले रहा, तो जो इंटर्नशिप्स है, अगर वो सेकेंड ईयर ऑनवर्ड या थर्ड ईयर ऑनवर्ड इंटर्नशिप्स ले रहा है आउटसाइड कॉलेज, तो वो उसके लिए
that also we allow. Certainly for that we issue an NOC, provided that the students' academic and examinations are not getting hampered. Obviously, if they do some training and internships during the semester, some classes may be missed, but obviously some of the academic and administrative issues are there. If they are not violating, for example, say someone is going for a training or internship, and at that point of time semester examination comes, then obviously if they claim that I am on the internship and I cannot appear in semester examination, that cannot be done. So obviously, considering these issues, normally we allow for training and internships outside if the students want to.
But you must have to appear your semester examination
and other academic and administrative activities as and when required, that need to be fulfilled.
So basically this is all about placement from GNIIT. Otherwise you can raise your questions there. I will connect to sir and I will try to answer all your queries. So thank you so much for being here.